how to enable two-factor authentication on Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Truist online banking for extra security on your account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link, and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials, and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to open Profile and Settings in the top menu and then select the Security tab. And there on the next page, you simply have to scroll down until you see two-factor authentication or additional verification. So here, once you found that, you simply have to click Manage or Enable to get started. And there you simply have to choose your preferred verification method like text message, phone call, or Authenticator app. And after that, you simply have to enter your phone number or scan the QR code if using an app, and then input the verification code you receive to confirm it works. And once verified, you can toggle on the settings on and click save, and you will see a confirmation message that two-factor authentication is active. And after that, when you log in, you'll enter your username and password first, and then a one-time code sent to your chosen device or app. And that's it. That's how you can enable two-factor authentication in Twist. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.